Lori with Lori's RV Life. Yesterday I was out at my sister's and we did a little bit of shopping. Don't know if I'll get into showing you what we bought for the RV, but my brother-in-law did give me a whole crate of peaches. So I've been washing them just to get all the crud off of them, and then they are all nice and clean, really nice peaches. So I got them all cleaned up, and then I slice them up and stick them in this. This is about half a cup of lemon juice, and it can be, you know, the bottled, it's fine. The reason I use the lemon juice is when they're dehydrating, it keeps them from turning brown, just keeps them the color that they are. Anyway, so yeah, there they are, a whole bunch of them. They're beautiful, and they come out dehydrated, so sweet and yummy. Anyway, then when I get them done, I let them soak in here, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. It's, you know, just as long as they're really coated good, it's fine. So just kind of let the water drip off a little bit, and then bring them over here and spread them out on this guy. This is my dehydrator that I got when I was in Oregon with my mother-in-law Dandy and sister-in-law Vicky. Anyway, yeah, it was $10 at a Goodwill, so, or a thrift shop, so yeah, that's too thick. So keep your eyes open when you go to those things. You can find some pretty good deals. So anyway, yeah, I just put them in here, single layer. You don't really want them touching too much, because you want the air to really to be able to circulate around them so that they get good and dehydrated. And they are so sweet and so yummy. Last batch I did, I sent to my grandsons in Washington, and according to my daughter, they gobbled them up quick, which is a whole lot better than having them munch down on candy. So again, just drain them off real good and drop them on. I know that's too much, so I'll just stick them over there. There are several racks that came with this thing. I was really lucky to get this. That's too thick. Anyway, yeah, so just single layer, and then when that's done, you're just gonna grab this next one. Of course, it's going the wrong way. There you go. This one, it stacks opposites. Like this one is, this bottom one is like, I don't know if you can tell, it gets smaller up here. So then you want to hook the smaller one, the diameter, so that it fits on there like that. And then just keep spreading your peaches out on there. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so yep, that's what you do. Anyway, so I will continue to do, I'll bring you back when I get them done, and they're nice and dehydrated. I guess that's it for now. So yeah, just a quick short video. It's 6 a.m., 6:30. I could not sleep, so I decided can't sleep, might as well be productive. So yeah, hopefully I'll get all of this batch that he gave me in this one set, so I can get it all done in one batch. Anyway, so that's about it. At the store today, yesterday, Shay and I got the paint for the RV. I don't remember what else. It's been a long night. Anyway, hopefully I'll get my RV back this week, Wednesday, maybe Thursday at the latest, and I can get busy out there, get it painted, and hopefully get on the road by next month, the end of October. Just going to take short trips around here to help me get used to driving the RV, because I don't know if you watched my other videos, but I had a pretty rough time. But yeah, when I do get on the road and come across some fresh fruits and vegetables, I'll be doing more videos showing you how to can them, dehydrate them, and then of course I'll be doing my quilting. So come along for the ride and we'll get you going on some fun stuff. Thank you everyone who is subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's just nice to know that people are out there and I'm not alone here doing all this. And don't forget, if you share my videos, people will be able to answer the questions, because y'all know I've got a bunch of questions. Thumbs up on the bottom down there, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it. Guys, take care, and I'll be back later. Bye.